Minus 10 was gotten when the additive inverse of adding minus 18 to a number was subtracted from minus 1. The question is, what was the number? They said that minus 10 was gotten when the additive inverse of adding minus 18 to a number. Let me ask you, what's the additive inverse of adding minus 18 to a number? Let's say let the number be p. The additive inverse of adding minus 18 to a number will definitely be what? To the number p. So when you add minus 18, not minus 8 actually, minus 18 to a number, that's p plus minus 18. Plus times minus is minus. So it means the same thing as saying p minus 18, right? So now the result is this, that p minus 18, when you add minus 18 to a number, p, it will be p minus 18. Hope it's clear. Now they say something, that minus 10 was gotten when the additive inverse of this, p minus 18, was subtracted from minus 1. Now you have to ask yourself, what is the additive inverse of this, that p minus 18? Now, if I have a number a, what is this additive inverse? The additive inverse of a number is a number that you have to add to it to give you 0. Now, the additive inverse of a would definitely be minus a, because it is only minus a that you have to add to a to give you 0, because a plus minus a would definitely be 0. So plus times minus is minus, that a minus a, is it not 0? It is. So the additive inverse of a number is a number that you have to add to it to give you what? 0. Now let me ask you, it's just like saying the additive inverse of y would definitely be minus y. It's just like changing the sign. The additive inverse of b would definitely be minus b, because b minus b is 0. So the additive inverse of p minus 18 would definitely be changing the sign for it, changing the sign of p minus 18. Does it make sense? That's the additive inverse of p minus 18 would definitely be minus into bracket p minus 18. I hope it's clear. Now, minus into bracket p minus 18, if you open the bracket, you know that the number here is definitely minus 1. Minus 1 times p will definitely be minus p. Then minus 1 times minus 18 will definitely be plus 18. Therefore, this is the additive inverse of p minus 18. The additive inverse of p minus 18 is minus p plus 18. I hope by now you understand what we mean by additive inverse. Now, let's go to the question again. They said that minus 10 was gotten when the additive inverse of adding minus 18 to a number, that's this, the additive inverse of adding minus 18 to a number, was subtracted from minus 1. So they say that when you subtract this, the additive inverse of adding minus 18 to a number, from minus 1, it will give you minus 10. That's what they mean. That's when this is being removed from minus 1, it gives minus 18. So from minus 1, we are to remove what? Minus p plus 18. Is it clear? And it will give us minus 10. I hope it's making sense. So minus 1, you recall again, you have to open the bracket. The sign here is minus 1, is minus, then the number here is 1. So the number closest to the bracket is minus 1. So let's open the bracket. Minus 1 times minus p is plus p. Minus 1 times plus 18 is what? Minus what? 18 is equals minus 10. I hope it's clear. So from here we can rearrange. So I have, this is, if I write p, this is plus p, then minus 1 minus 18 is equals minus 10. So I have p, minus 1 minus 18 is minus 19 is equals minus 10. Hope is clear. Therefore, collect like terms are that p is equals minus 10 minus 19, crossing the equal to sign will definitely be plus 19. Therefore, p is equals minus 10 plus 19 will definitely be what? 9. And this is the number that we are looking for, 9. And that's our final answer. I hope you understand. Please have a nice day. Like, comment, share, and follow Cozi's Academy. Bye-bye.